What's the difference between patent prosecution and patent litigation? Hey everybody, I'm JD Houvener, owner, founder, and patent attorney here at Bold Patents Law Firm. Patent prosecution, well, it sounds like, prosecutor in court, criminal or civil cases with juries. The truth is that prosecution just means getting the patent all the way through the patent examination into grant. Whereas patent litigation, well, of course, that does mean court. Usually it means settling outside court, but sometimes it does require going to trial and appeal, and who knows, even to the Supreme Court. So prosecution, which is where Bold Patents has its domain, helps inventors navigate through decision-making on patent searching, the technical aspects of invention drafting, application support, as well as the back and forth with the USPTO examiner and getting it all the way to patent grant. That's prosecuting the patent, getting the rights for you, the inventor. Again, while litigation, on the other hand, is about enforcing those rights. Once the patent is already granted, now it's time for you, the inventor, or the company, if you own it, to go enforce. Maybe there's an infringer, or maybe there's a group of infringers, and one is influencing, or even what you say, contributorily infringing, inducing one other to infringe. And you've got to go on that hunt to go find the supplier, go find the manufacturer that's importing your claimed invention. That takes work, and it's different. On the litigation side, it can come with higher risk, but higher reward. If you don't enforce your patent rights on litigation side, what's the point of even getting the patent on the prosecution side? Now, these two help each other out. They play on one another. If you have, let's say, a really low quality patent set of claims, well, it's going to make enforcing it really challenging. You may have seen or heard a lot of patent trial and appeal board judges dismissing, invalidating patents. These are patents that were acquired without a lot of foresight. The claims are written maybe loosely, too broadly, or maybe there wasn't enough prior art searching done. And later, the enforcing party tries to go against an infringer, and the infringer can show that the inventor wasn't the first one to invent, wasn't the first to file, and their invention is invalidated. So don't take shortcuts. Make sure you get and prosecute the highest quality, bold patent as you can, so that when you go to swing for the fences and enforce your patent rights, it will stand up against the hardest challenges, and it will be able to get you that reward to remain the exclusive owner, the exclusive ability to make, use, and sell your invention in the market. All right, well, that's the key difference between patent prosecution and patent litigation. Read the article below for some more information. If you do have any questions, please reach out to us in confidence via a discovery call. Click the button above and get a hold of us today. All right, everybody, I'm JD Houvener, wishing you a great day. Go big, go bold.